Honourable Member for Essex.
Mr. Speaker, Canadians deserve a transparent and open legal system. The Norman case has been anything but. We know that the Prime Minister's office, the Department of Defence, and the Privy Council office withheld important documents in this case. How is it that Gerald Butts gets his old texts and emails within days of quitting, but Vice Admiral Norman has waited a year and a half? Liberals have interfered with yet another judicial process. If they value the rule of law, why are Liberals blocking Canadians' access to this information?
Honourable Minister of Justice.
Mr. Speaker, all the various premises of that question are categorically false. The Department of Justice cooperated, Mr. Speaker, with the court in order to provide the requested documents. The documents that were requested were given over, Mr. Speaker, over 8,000 of them from 7 different agencies. Of course that takes time, Mr. Speaker. And the redaction, Mr. Speaker, was done independently from political bodies. Mr. Speaker, the court itself cited the government and its cooperation in this matter.
Yeah.
Very good.
Member for Essex.
The denial story isn't working. The Liberal government doesn't get to decide to uphold the rule of law when it only benefits them. This Prime Minister promised he would do things differently, but his office has been involved now in 2 different cases of potentially interfering in our independent justice system. Mark Norman's lawyer clearly said the PMO was, quote, counseling witnesses as to what they could and could not say. Our independent justice system does not belong to the Liberals. When will they get out of the way and allow Canadians to know what happened?
The Honourable Minister of Justice.
Mr. Speaker, it's a curious question with an accusation which is baseless. In fact, Mr. Speaker, in this particular case, the PPSC was acting independently of the federal government because the supervisory role in this case under the Criminal Code was actually held by the Attorney General for Ontario, Mr. Speaker. The Director of Public Prosecutions has said, and the prosecutor in question has said, that there was no contact or government interference in this case.